I-video din ma. Hindi mag-start. Ha? Hindi nag-start.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start the show by welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit right here is a red and green macaw, also known as the green macaw. Now, these birds are found in the woodlands and forests of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show has officially started. So, how about a round of applause for Bandit? So hello everyone, ngayong hapon sa tanan, I am Mary, host for today, and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park, Angel Theater. Now our next set of birds are just like 80 best friends, but sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul.
Basketball.
So today we will battle over who's the best in the basketball game. Let's go Blue, let's go Azul. So your junior captain is Blue and your junior Andre is Azul. Now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go Blue! Go Blue! And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul! Go Azul! Go Azul! Now are you ready for the basketball game?
Yes!
Right, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Blue, let's go Azul first. Ball for Blue. Follow by Azul, and follow ball for Blue and Azul, and let's go Blue in this game.
Apple picker!
That's alright, Azul, so trainer Andre, you lost this game. What can you say?
Only to your Catherine, we want another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
What race the other man?
So I suggest rigorous the mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all three rings into the bowl with fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race.
So the ring race is still being a rapper. Boys will only got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now are you ready for this little game?
Yes!
Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready, set, go. Let's go, let's go first. Ring for Blue. And then
Maro!
Look, your captain to see that. Parents at the same time.
Diyos saraniya!
You was not trainer Andre, you guys cheated.
We didn't cheat, Azul just used her brain.
Yes!
So how about a round of applause for Blue and Azul?
No?
Now this time I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. So who wants to volunteer? Please raise your hand and I'll choose you. I need adult volunteer. Sige ka mag-agree. And please bring with you a money bill. So any bill basta paper bill, sir. So 20, 50, or 100.
Okay na rin, naganda yun.
Serving the money. So, sir, please do not swing or move your arm, okay? Now, let's call in our money bird, Blue.
Unable to use.
Now, Blue right here can check if the money is safe
Clean.
or not.
Clean sa daw, ma.
So, Blue flies over, grabs the money. What's
Full
next, Blue?
storage na ka.
Now, Blue flies back to the table, and I guess Blue wants to. There you go. You win your money. So, sir, okay na niyo mag-Blue yung money. Since okay naman, sir, how about another one, sir? So, 500 na po. Kasi 50 naman to. Kulang pa sa loob. Okay na, sir? 500 na po. Joke lang ito, sir. It's all part of the show, so before you go back to your seat, you'll have a photo of with our lovely bird for souvenir. So excuse balik sa dali, sir. The pictures of the Pony Blue, sir. Smile and pose with our money bird blue.
Sana all.
Okay, so here
Sana all.
please follow our photographer. I can give you a printed copy for free. So how about a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird blue? Alright, so here in Solution Park, we have two kinds. So you have our green wing macaw bandit and our blue and gold macaw goldie. Now the birds and trainers will roam around you. Please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds because they can frighten easily and could bite. So especially sa kids, di lang nato i-touch atong mga birds, inumanak na sila. So now let's go in. Bandit and Goldie. Now that right there is Bandit.
Dari na sa tuwa ma.
And let's wait for Goldie. And then right there is Goldie with trainer yellow.
Ay di mas.
Now first on your right is our green wing macaw bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. So his wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white-legged face striped with small red feathers. So his scientific name is Arachnopterus. Now bandits, say hi to everyone. Hi. Others say no good bandit. Hi. Now lastly is our blue and gold macaw goldie with trainer and a solid shade of yellow. Its inner wings and beak are solid black. So its scientific name is. So here in Solution Park, we have three blue and gold macaws. So we have Goldie up there and si Blue on the segment si Goldie. So kung si Bandit, hi, si Goldie flex your wings. So flex your wings, Goldie. Now for your lifetime, macaws that live up to 60 to 70 years old. And now lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. And so that is it for different kinds of parrots here in Solution Park. We have our green wing macaw bandit and our blue and gold macaw goldie.
Butan kay ito oh, ketubutan.
Hi! Hi! Birds in particular known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's go Bandit once again and it's going to show us how to properly put the shapes back to their correct slots. Now even though this is a year behavior, Bandit has to get the shapes back to their correct slots. And that is possible with his perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, he has the skill to find food